Patient screening today is the biggest time-consuming issue in medical research. This morning, we talked to Julio Vega, a doctor at UCSF, who explained to us that filtering patient data is very time-consuming because there is three main problems in medical research today. The first one is that most of the data is dirty and all the works need to be manual and it is time-consuming. The second problem is that it is error-prone and inconsistent. And the third one is that there's a huge issue with access to patient data, which is highly regulated today.
So we built a research assistant, which basically allows researchers to talk to data. We also, at the same time, through the magic of MongoDB, do some normalization of data to make sure that it's more consistent. Data often lives across multiple systems, multiple EHRs, multiple health systems, and it tends to be very, very dirty. So this solution helps doctors, and we're going to show you in a second, researchers actually, be able to talk to the data essentially. I'm going to put a stop. What the fuck happened? I had a folder open. There it is. And resume. So here we have an example of our MCP server connecting to our data set, our research data set on MongoDB. We're seeing that we're able to query it with natural language. In this case, we're asking, simple questions of the data. What type of conditions do patients have? What are the age ranges that we have? And what are the comorbidities as well, which we're seeing here? I'll actually show you a final example over here with the
you have 22
agent generation of the final system.
Your total patients, 44% of your data set. The most common medications are, across all 50 patients, antiepileptics, 13 patients, 26%. Dexamethasone, 13 patients, 26%. Temozolomide, 13 patients, 26%. None, 11 patients, 22%.
Stack we used for this was we used AWS with MongoDB, Sensor, Temporal, and HN.
We also used Wiz as part of our observability layer to really ensure that there's that data security in place for this very sensitive patient data.
And we used the EHR data set, which was HL7 data. And then we mapped it to MongoDB, and then we used that to set up the conversational UX.
Awesome.
So please accept our project and let's make the future of medical research.
Awesome. Nice to meet you. Bye.